Marilena is a 47-year-old Spanish woman, president of a regional craft association. She has a good level of English. Marilena has to promote the textile craftsmanship of her region, and to do it, she needs to read up on the history of textiles. Marilena needs to find patterns and techniques similar to those she weaves. She looks for Espolin in free text and filters Valencia by Production Place. Marilena plans to offer free souvenirs during a promotional event, possibly related to the regional textile tradition. Marilena uploads an image of her own production and waves it as damask. She prints it on her 3D printer to offer as a souvenir. She will also use it in the tourism office of her region to attract people. Marilena wants to know how Espolin is called in other languages. She looks for Espolin in the thesaurus and changes the language to English.